Why is eating vegetables the smartest choice you can make? They're crunchy, they're colorful, and they're nature's little superheroes. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, vegetables fuel your body, boost your energy, and keep you feeling your best, naturally. From the first bite of a crisp cucumber to the rich, roasted flavor of sweet potatoes, every color on your plate is a step toward better health. Want to glow from the inside out? Eat your greens, your reds, oranges, and purples. 2. Make vegetables the star of your plate and taste the difference fresh can make. Vegetables, good for you, delicious for everyone. Start today. For more, visit kitchenmagic3.com.